Welcome back. Today we're going to begin the movements in the second third of the form. Last session we finished up with the Eye of the Phoenix and the Sun Salute, so that's where we're going to pick up today. So when we finished up at the last session, we finished Eye of the Phoenix and the Sun Salute, and we were facing the west wall. So that's where I'm going to begin this 1-14 tutorial. So we just finished the Wu Qi and took a breath, and now we have the left hand on top and the right hand on the bottom. Here's what it looks like from here. Good. Now let's break that down. So we finished the Sun Salute, came back to Wu Qi. The hands, you take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, that's when you form the ball with the left hand on top, because we're about to be weighted in the left leg. So that's why the left hand is on top. Remember, the hand that is on top of the ball coincides with the leg where the weight is. So this is why I'm in the left, because I'm here. I'm going to take my right toe and I'm going to take it so that my heel ends up on this yellow line in between the intersection of these two yellow lines. It's going to end up here. So touch the elbow as the toe touches here. Now my hand, there's my foot at that intersection. My hand is going to come down in front of my center line of the body. Left hand is in front of the shoulder. This is awkward for my feet to stand this way, which is why we're in the middle of a transition as I weight to the right and I turn my left foot towards the north part of the form. The hands didn't move. I took my body from here and turned my body. Again, the hands didn't move. Where the hands move are as I come out of the ball, touch the elbow as the toe touches. There is the toe touch, or you can also set the heel. The toe touch is easier for most. You will want to eventually get to where you can weight into the left as you're holding the ball and touch your heel as the fingertips touch the left elbow as the heel comes out to this point right here. That's a little trickier. Touch. This hand comes down, this hand goes forward, bending the right knee, turning that left foot towards the north part of the form and ensuring that your right foot is at a 45-degree angle. Okay? But my heels are on this same yellow line. So I'm not up here or back there. They're in alignment. And that's carry tiger to the mountain. Carry the tiger to the mountain. So now we're going to do that same move, but facing the camera. Remember, normally in the form, we're facing the west, and we end up turning to face the north. But now we're going to be facing the camera this way, and I'm going to show you how to transition backwards. You always start off in a V, and we had just finished the Eye of the Phoenix, Sun Salute, and came back to Wu Qi. Your right hand is going to be on the outside. You pause here for a breath, inhale, and as you exhale, the hands separate and the left hand is on top of the ball because you're weighted in your left leg. Like we said earlier, the weighted leg is the hand that's on top of the ball. Now, regardless of where you're going, which you're going to step with, the heel or the toe, you have to be mindful where that position goes. If you're stepping with the toe, it's going to go up here so that when you put your heel down, the heel is at the intersection of these two green lines because your left heel is also going to be on this same green line. However, if you get there with your heel, the heel already goes to that intersection before you put the toe down, but it's going to end up at a 45. So here we have a V. Left hand is on top. You've taken the breath in, and now the breath out is toe or heel right there, okay? And the heel touches as the elbow touches. And I'm going to shift my weight into that right leg, allow my left foot to turn towards this side of the wall. And the hands, this was on top of the ball. I just bend my wrist. This is still even with my shoulder. The fingertips that were touching my left elbow, that elbow just stays there. The hand comes down and the palm rotates away. So it all happens simultaneously. And I'm on this line, both heels are on this green line. Fingertips here, palm up over my right thigh. All right, so now let's do it facing this direction. I'll come up here. My feet are in a V. We've started off at the Wu Chi. Breath in, breath out. And now the fingertip touches as the heel touches. Touch, touch. Shifting the weight. My hands stay in the center line of my body. Notice how the left hand moves as my left foot moves. Staying even with my shoulder. It was on top of the ball. Just came out. And shift into that right leg. This palm is up, not up here, it's over the thigh. It's the same as if we do brush knee right, except you've turned your palm facing up. Carry the tiger to the mountain. Good, now let's do it facing the back. We'll start here with our feet in a V. From the Wu Chi, we've done the Eye of the Phoenix, Sun Salute. We're now at Wu Chi with the left hand on the inside. Take a breath. Exhale. The hands separate with the left hand on the ball and you weight left. Regardless of toe or heel, you're touching as the fingertips touch the elbow. Good. Hands stay still. And I'm just going to work my way around, shifting my weight from one leg to the other until I've got my foot, my back foot facing this direction and my right foot at a 45. The weight is here in the right leg. Good. All right. So we did it towards the west, did it towards each of the other directions. So now let's focus on where the breath occurs and all of that. I'll do that to the front. So we finished Eye of the Phoenix, the Sun Salute, and came to Wu Chi. Breath in, breath out. Weight's going to the left, back straight, heel or toe. Heel, you want to be in line. And it touches as you touch here. And I want you to notice that when I settled into that back leg, I didn't rock back and straighten my left, excuse me, I didn't straighten my left leg. What I did instead is I sunk my weight into this left leg, left it bent, and just placed my right heel behind me. Didn't shift the weight. So, touch right here. This flexes out, stays even with my shoulder. And then I rotate. This palm is up, bending the right knee, straightening the left knee, shifting, making sure this is on this line and correcting this footwork if I need it. And making sure that my heels are in alignment as I carry the tiger to the mountain. Here, breath in. Breath in. Good. So that is 1-14, Carry the Tiger to the Mountain. Next time, we'll be going over 1-15, which is Grasp the Sparrow's Tail. We have gone over Grasp the Sparrow's Tail before, but it was done towards the east. This particular Grasp the Sparrow's Tail, we will be going to the southeast. So, until next time, have a wonderfully Zen day.